Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card on Fetch Rewards. So let's get started. First open the Fetch Rewards app on your phone. If you do not have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the rewards icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the rewards section where you can see all available gift cards. Scroll through the list of rewards until you find the Amazon gift card. Tap on it to select it. Choose the denomination for your Amazon gift card. Fetch Rewards offer various amounts, so pick the one that fits your points balance. After selecting the amount, tap on the Get My Reward button. You may be asked to confirm your selection. Go ahead and confirm it. Once you have done that, you will receive a confirmation and the gift card code will be sent to your email or appear in your Fetch Rewards app under My Rewards. Open your email or go to the My Rewards section in the Fetch app to find your Amazon gift card code. Copy the code. Now head over to Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Go to your account settings and find the gift card section. Click on the Redeem a Gift Card and paste your code. Click Apply to your balance and you're all set. And there you have it. That's how you redeem an Amazon gift card on Fetch Rewards. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching.